Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is gonna be slightly different. I always usually say that when it's different. It's gonna be slightly different than my other videos, but also I'm really sorry it's gonna be a bit weird because I have been filming this video in like 3 different days. I mean for like 3 different days because I always forget to do something. Like I had a lot of things going on here while unpacking and stuff like that, and then I also filmed like you know, apartment tour, but then I forgot to do the intro because I said to myself I'm gonna do that, you know, later, and then I forgot, so I'm doing it now even though it's like a day before I upload. But I remembered I don't have an intro, I have to have it, so here I am. Yeah, I'm gonna show you my apartment, the new apartment. I really hope you're gonna enjoy the video. I really hope it's gonna be interesting to you. I'm so excited, I really am. I'm just really happy that I got it. And yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna stop blabbing. I have to do my workout now, and I'll just leave you to the apartment. So here is our front door, and when you come in you have a little mirror here. Hi. And then we have like a place to put our shoes and jackets and stuff like that. And then we have our home phone if someone rings, if someone wants to come in. Then coming here we have a little room. Well, this is gonna be my room. We decided with my boyfriend this is gonna be like my filming room and just, you know, room for stuff that I do. Now we have a lot of stuff going on over here. I have a lot of boxes. I actually had even more boxes, but I managed to get some stuff out, but I still have a lot of things to sort out. We have, here is actually my wardrobe. Here we go. I did get some stuff inside. Wait, I'm gonna show you. As you can see here, we do have some stuff here and here and up there, and I'm not gonna show you everything, it's boring. But I still have a lot of things to sort out, and I'm gonna, you know, take some time for that. I mean, I do have a weekend off, so I don't have to work, which is a good thing, so I can sort everything out and, you know, just get everything under control. And then here we have again a bit of a closet stuff going on. I have a lot of dishes here, which I still kind of have to sort out, so this is it. Here I have my things, which again I need to, you know, just it's been a crazy here. I just have to take few hours for myself, and then, you know, everything will be the way it has to be. Then here we have a bit of snacks, a bit of food, and then what do we have here? There's more food here, obviously. And then moving on, here is like a kitchen. So this is like a hallway, and then we're coming here to the kitchen. And nothing special actually, just like a normal kitchen. And then I have some coffee and cocoa going on over here, and then we have a bit of Nutella and some dishes, and here we have more dishes, and then here we have even more dishes. Yay. Amazing. Yeah, and then here we have our refrigerator, which still has to be filled with more food. And then, you know, it's just, there's trash here, so I'm not gonna show you everything in specific, you don't want to know that. But then here we have our bathroom. There we go, here and here and here. Well, you're not interested in that, but I'm gonna show you anyway. Then here we have a bit of a mirror. Hi. And moving on, let's just close that. Here we have the best place. Now this is our, well, this is like a bedroom slash living room. I know it's not like the best to have those two in one place, but I don't know, I just really loved that place. I mean this place, and I just really wanted to just, you know, have it, even though it's bedroom and living room in the same room. Well, I don't actually care as much, but yeah, here we have, oh, look at that, this is amazing, I love that. And what I love the most here, obviously I love the TV in front of the bed. This is the best thing here. Then we have couch here and little table, and then we have, this is actually set up for my boyfriend. He's gonna play his games and do stuff that he likes, and I'm gonna be there in this room over there doing my stuff. And also what I love the most about this place is the windows. It's amazing. You have a lot of light coming in, and it's just the best feeling waking up in the morning and just seeing all this light. And then okay, I'm gonna show you from this point the view. There we go. I love the view. It's just simple but amazing, just the way I love it. Just the way I love it. It's me again. It's actually like a brand new day. So I didn't film anything after we went grocery shopping. I just didn't have time. I went straight after grocery shopping. I just went into sorting things out just to, you know, be done as soon as possible. And in the middle of that, I completely forgot to film my video on, so I'm doing that now. So basically, I'm gonna show you quickly actually what I bought. So here I have my orange juice, which I love. I adore this one. I cannot live without this one. Really obsessed with it. Then we got some blueberry juice. My boyfriend loves that, although I'm not a big fan of it, but it's okay, but I don't love it as much. Then we have some hamburger buns. We wanted to make some hamburgers or cheeseburgers or, you know, stuff like that. And then we have some cookies here, and then we have a bit of cereals here. And I also bought some gums. Then I have this cleaner for my floor. This is amazing. I love this one in particular. It's amazing and it smells so damn good. And what else did I buy? I actually bought a lot of things, but I did that like last week. So when I went grocery shopping with my parents, I actually just bought, you know, the stuff that I forgot or that I actually needed. Although, you know, when you think you got everything, you actually don't. I still have to go to the market today because, you know, I forgot some things. Although I did write everything, but then again, when you think you have everything, you don't. Jesus, I don't want to ruin something. I also got myself this cleaner. I love this one. It's so easy and it's so easy and practical. I love this one really. It makes my life way easier. But yeah, this is actually all I wanted to show you. I mean, the main thing here was to show you my new apartment, which I'm still trying to put in place. So I'll be back with, you know, fashion videos and stuff like that next week. I just really wanna, you know, get the place like set really good. Like, it's not still done. I still have like a lot of stuff here which I don't want them to be. But I'm gonna fix that as soon as possible. I'm just gonna reorganize everything. I thought 2 days was gonna be enough for me. Apparently it's not, so I'll have to just do something. I am working my second shift this week, which means I start at 2 p.m. So I don't know, I'll get up early and do something. Do as much as I can. And hopefully by next week I'll be able to film, like, you know, videos as usual. So yeah, that is actually my little apartment tour. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much if you watched it. It's probably not as interesting as you thought, but then again, thank you so much if you actually watched it. Yeah, that is it from me. I will hopefully see you in my next video. I'll be back soon. And until then, also almost forgot to say, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media if you want to, of course. And I will hopefully see you in my next video. So until then, stay safe, you guys. Bye.